kind of small, but I still love it. Right now I cannot get together the chair. Fixing it.
I know that there's something so special about you and me, babe. You got me, you got me, you got me feeling fine. So just say the words, 'cause you know what it means to me, babe. When you got me, you got me, you got me feeling right.
I'm so tempted to call myself women in engineering, construction. I have no idea, but I know whatever happened here is women in something, and I am the women. Okay, if you have anything or whatever you have that needs to be assembled, you know where to find me. Your girl is right here, and do let me know. I'm kidding, I'm just happy. This looks pretty. Kind of small, but I still love this. Can you actually tell that I'm excited? Okay, let's start over. Can you actually tell that I'm excited? Because I am.